This is Musaffah UAE Abu Dhabi at Al-Ikhlas shop, where I am coming here to fix the clicking sound on my wheel for a BM X5m Power 2016. Whenever I turn the wheel, a clicking sound comes from the main shaft of the axle or the axle shaft. However, here they are experts in the field, and believe it or not, they may do a better job than the main company itself. And for within 2 hours, they have already changed the axle of the car and installed a brand new one. And they are here, they do the whole axles, they fix them, they repair them, as you can see. And here are all the types of ball bearing and their sizes. So they do it all. They reinstall a new axle, if not remanufacture, in their own way and in their own expertise. And they do an amazing job. These are all the axles, and this is their line of expertise, is only axles. They work in axles. This is all what they do. And this whole thing costed probably less than 500 USD, or close to 2,000 dirham, while in the company just one axle cost 3,000 dirham for one side. Add the other side, another 3. Add the labor of the parent company, if they want to do at BMW, you'd go for close to 10,000 dirham, which is close to 3,000 USD, while here it costed 500, and within 2 hours he's done. Thank you for watching.